Today we're taking a look at how to crop video. I had a video out about cropping video before. I got about 1/3 thumbs down on it, so I think I missed the mark on that. I was reading the comments, and what I'm about to show you is more accurate to cropping the video properly, not just scaling it up and moving it around, but literally cropping a video file. So let's jump in. All right, let's bring in our base layer first. Okay. And let's say that we want to put a video file up here, and we want to kind of crop that. Let's bring in that second one here. I'm going to mute that because we don't want to hear it. So let's do a couple things here. First, we're going to resize it. We can go up here to the Effect Controls panel and click Motion, and then grab it and move it around how you want it. If you want to dial it in a little bit better, you can go to where it says Position and kind of click it, and while holding the mouse down, move it to wherever you want. Now, of course, we want to crop this thing, so let's go to the Effects tab. In the search, let's type in crop. That way we don't have to search for it under transform and crop. It's just right there. And let's say we want to take off this street sweeper here. We're going to crop from the right. Let's probably about 30%. That's pretty good. Okay. And again, same thing. You can kind of move it around. I know that he walks more into frame. Right where that silver car is here, he will walk over there. Let's just watch it. Yeah, let's say, because that's as far over as he goes. Let's say we definitely want to keep him out of it. There we go. And let's say, let's just chop off the bottom a little bit, less streets. The building is a little bit more the focus. A touch of the sky as well. There we go. And again, you can click Motion up here and move it to wherever you'd like it to be. And there you go. It's that easy. Now, in case you're curious, the background plate here is Masada in Israel. Incredible, like just breathtaking if you are in the area. The story of that settlement is heartbreaking and tragic, but really something to see. And then I want to say that's an area of Tel Aviv on the picture-in-picture right here. I'm not entirely sure. It's somewhere else in Israel. I can't remember at the moment, but that's it. That's how you crop it. You go to the effects panel, you type crop, and you slice it up how you see fit. Now, another way to think about this is let's just reset this crop and everything here. All right, that's back to normal. This is the main plate. Now, looking at this, there is still the view underneath it. So that's the base plate, and this is the one on top. Now, going into crop, you can go ahead and slice it here. Let's say you just want you don't want to reposition it for whatever reason. You want to keep the building right there. Now, I have an underlying video file. You don't have to have one there. Maybe you want credits coming up on one side. You know, I can't imagine many instances where you don't want to at least fine-tune the exact location of this thing. You can see maybe the credits coming up on this side or whatever you want to do with it. All right, that's how you crop a video in Adobe Premiere. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments what you would have preferred to see. If I missed something, if you find there's some simpler way to do it, please let me know. I'm all ears. And if you have any other Adobe Premiere questions, hit me up on Twitter. I am there all the time. And I will see you guys next time.